Industry analysis, Porter's 5 force analysis. Hello students, good morning everyone. I am Santosh sir from ICE College of Hotel Management, and today we are going to understand an important concept of strategic management, industry analysis using Porter's 5 force model. What is industry analysis? Students, industry analysis means studying the competitive environment in which a business operates. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस बताता है बिजनेस के लिए मार्केट कितनी अट्रैक्टिव है. Who developed 5 force model? Porter's 5 force model was developed by Michael E. Porter, a Harvard Business School professor, in the year 1979. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये नाम और ईयर याद रखो. Why 5 force analysis is used? This model is used to analyze competition, identify profit potential, and frame effective strategies. अगर कंपटीशन ज्यादा है, प्रॉफिट कम होता है. The 5 forces of industry analysis. Let us understand each force one by one. Force 1. Threat of new entrants. This force explains how easy or difficult it is for new firms to enter the industry. If entry is easy, competition increases, profits decrease. Barriers to entry include capital requirement, brand loyalty, government regulations, and economies of scale. Force 2. Bargaining power of buyers. Buyers have power when they can demand lower prices or better quality. एग्जाम्पल समझो, अगर कस्टमर के पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है तो बायर पावर हाई होती है. फोर्स 3. बार्गेनिंग पावर ऑफ सप्लायर्स. Suppliers have power when they can increase prices or reduce quality. Supplier power is high when suppliers are few and buyers are many. Force 4. Threat of substitute products. Substitutes are alternative products that perform the same function. Example, tea and coffee, butter and margarine. If substitutes are easily available, profitability decreases. Force 5. Competitive rivalry. This force measures the intensity of competition among existing firms. High rivalry exists when many competitors, slow industry growth, price wars, and high fixed costs. Hospitality industry में competitive rivalry usually high होती है. Overall industry attractiveness. Students, if all 5 forces are strong, industry is less attractive. If forces are weak, industry is more profitable. एग्जाम टिप. एग्जाम में लिखते वक्त 5 फोर्सेस का डायग्राम बनाना मत भूलना. पोर्टर का नाम, ईयर 1979 और 5 फोर्सेस सब मेंशन करो. कंक्लूजन. Porter's 5 force analysis helps organizations understand competition, market structure, and profitability potential. स्ट्रैटेजी बनाने से पहले इंडस्ट्री को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. दिस इज संतोष सर from ICE College of Hotel Management.